With this video, we're going to start a whole new section of the course, which I hope will be a real treat for you. We're going to go over the book Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. In this book, Napoleon Hill, who was a journalist, went to all the successful people of his era, interviewed them, and he compiled a list of 13 success skills, 13 keys to success, to true wealth, and he published them in this book. And so what I've done is, in this course, in the upcoming videos, I've outlined these 13 principles for you that are the identified principles of wealth and success. And I've also not only outlined them for you, but created actionable exercises and steps that you can take and start working on them to attain those traits and those skills starting now. And not only that, in my own business coaching practice, what I've also done is I've identified 50 success skills, a broader set, because the book is a little dated. Some of these fields didn't even exist in Napoleon Hill's time, like emotional intelligence wasn't even a thing. And many other skills have come up since then. So what I've done is also introduce you how to apply those 50 skills at times when they're needed, when they come into play, to those original principles of success. So not only I have actionable exercises for you, I have a new and more modern take on how to approach these skills. So if you're a first-time entrepreneur, this should be a real treat for you. If you are working for a company and you're taking this course, this might not be exactly what you've been looking for from this course, but it is really cool, I think. I worked very hard on it, and I really wanted, especially for first-time entrepreneurs, I really wanted to make something special and unique for you guys. Now, one quick thing, I actually made a whole course on this topic. You don't have to buy the course, because actually the content in the course, I put it here for you. So you actually get a whole free course. This is it. So with that, enjoy. I am actually really excited about it. So let's get started.